Hello everybody, and welcome back for today's puzzle. We are just continuing on in the same book. I do make a small commission from any purchases, and it looks like today we are doing puzzle number 63. Let's see where we want to start. We can do this box here. It looks like we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 3, 6, 3 there, so 6, 9, and nothing here, so 3, 6, 9. If we do this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so our 3 has to be there. We've got a 6 there, so 1, 6. If we work on this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. If we look at this row here, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 and a 9 here, and a 1 there, so 6. Here we've got a 6, we're missing 1, 3, 9. Here we've got a 1 and a 3, so this is our 9. So we can get rid of that 9, and this is still 1 and 3. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7, 8, 9. We've got an 8 there, so 7, 9. No help here, 7, 8, 9, and no help here, 7, 8, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 7. We've got 2, 3, and 7 there, so this is our 4. We've got a 3 there, so 2, 7, a 2 there, so 3, 7, and no help here. 2, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing a 1, 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here. So 1, 5. We've got a 1 there. So 3, 5, 6. Yep. And 3, 5, and 6 there, so this is our 1. That makes this our 5. Then we can get rid of this 5. And to finish off this box, we need a 1. So for this row, then, it looks like we're missing a 2 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 and 7 there, so this is our 8. Got a 4 there, so 7, 4. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 8 and 9. No help here, so 3, 8, 9, and an 8 there, so 3 and 9. Just to finish out this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're missing 5, 6, and 9. Oh, we can get rid of this 3 now. So 5, 6, and 9, we've got a 9 here, so 5, 6. But now I notice in this box, this is the only place our 3 can be, so this is our 6 and our 5. Do those help us out anywhere else? It doesn't look like it. For this row, we're missing 1. Oh, we've got our 7 here, so this is our 3. So back to this row, we're missing 1, and 5. We've got a 5 up there, so this is our 1 and our 5. So to finish off the square, we're missing 2, 7, 8, 9. We've got a 7 up here. So 2, 8, 9. And same here, 2, 8, 9. All right, if we do this row, we're missing a 1, a 3, and a 9. We've got this 3 covering here, so 1, 9. We've got a 9 and a 3 here, so this is our 1, which makes this our 9 and our 3. So for this box then, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 7. Got a 1 there and a 2 there, so this is our 7. 2 there, which makes this our 2. So if that's our 1, this is our 3 and our 1, and that 3 makes this our 9 and our 8 and 3. So then we can get rid of the 9s here. And this 8, we can get rid of these 8s. All right. Let's work on this row. We're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 there. So this is our 6. Okay, and that 6 makes this our 9 and 8. That makes this our 6. So for this box then, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 there, so this is our 7. We've got 4 there, so this is our 9, 4. That 9 makes this our 7, 2, 9. 7 makes this our 8, 2, and 7. All right, that was today's puzzle. Again, please like, subscribe, share with someone you think will enjoy this content. It really does help the channel out. And I will see you back here again tomorrow for the next puzzle.